Hello guys, magluto pala tayo ngayon guys ng chicharon bulaklak guys. Lagyan natin leeks guys. Bawang guys, buo lang guys yan. Lagyan natin guys laurel saka paminta. Asin guys. Atay guys, magic sarap. Malalabasin lang natin guys yung kanyang mantika niyan guys. Patuyuin muna natin. Hindi tayo naglagay ng tubig guys. Yung tubig niya guys, sariling katas niya to guys. And guys, lumabas ang kanyang oil guys. Bali dito na natin siya guys pipertuin guys. Kanyang lumabas na oil guys. Yan ayun oh. Gagawa tayo guys ng sausawan habang inantay natin mag-crispy yung ating chicharon bulaklak guys. Lagay tayo guys asukal, 2 scoop. Pamitan natin guys, crack lang. Ating vinegar guys. Tansyahan na lang to guys. Ready na guys yung ating sausawan, yung chicharon bulaklak na natin guys, ang antay natin. And guys, tsaga-tsagay lang natin guys, halo-haloin natin para magpantay. And guys, konti na lang yan guys. Luto na yung ating chicharon bulaklak guys, yung pampabata to guys. Guys, ganda na ng kulay guys, luto na yan guys, hanguin na natin guys. Yan, pwede na tayo guys kumain. Lutong guys. Taste na natin guys yung ating chicharon bulaklak. Crispy guys. Kain tayo guys. Guys, kung nagustuhan nyo, paki-like and share naman guys, at paki-share na rin at paki-follow na rin guys. Ayan, bali hindi tayo guys nagprito lang, sariling mantika pala niya guys ang ating pinrito sa kanya pa guys.